Israel, a small country, born from suffering, built with unity, and standing strong in a storm of enemies. Today, I want to share with you a story, not just of war, but of miracles, intelligence, and unbreakable spirit. Ache. Birth from the ashes. Just imagine, after thousands of years of exile, genocide, and slavery, from Pharaohs to Hitler, a scattered people returned to their ancient homeland in 1948. Out of the ashes of the Holocaust, Israel was born again, surrounded by enemies, but never bowed down. Though, land of inventions. Despite being smaller than some Indian states, Israel gave the world the USB flash drive, the famous Iron Dome missile defense system, drip irrigation, used by farmers globally, Waze navigation app, breakthroughs in cancer research, AI, and cyber security. This tiny nation turned deserts into farms and mines into miracles. Teen. United by spirit, not size. In Israel, men and women both serve in the army. Every citizen knows what it's like to defend their land. There is no caste, no color, only one identity, Israeli. That unity is their greatest strength. 4. Wars they faced but never fell. Since 1948, Israel has fought 5 major wars and countless attacks. From the Yom Kippur War to Operation Entebbe, they proved that when you're united and determined, size doesn't matter. They made peace with enemies, but when attacked, they struck back with precision and strength. Part. Present conflict, Iran vs. Israel, June 2025. This month, 13th June 2025, Israel launched a powerful operation called Rising Lion after years of tension with Iran. Over 200 jets flew into Iran targeting nuclear facilities, missile bases, and key military centers. Iran responded with missiles and drones, but Israel's Iron Dome and intelligence units stopped most of them. Civilians suffered on both sides, but Israel showed once again, they will not allow another Holocaust. The world watches. America supports Israel, Iran warns of more war, and the world stands on edge. But Israel doesn't fear, because they are used to surviving. Not just surviving, but winning with wisdom, courage, and unity. 7. Final words why we must respect Israel. To me, Israel is not just a country, it's a symbol. A symbol that no matter how much the world crushes you, if you hold on to your faith, your identity, and your unity, you will rise again. Let us not just talk about war, but about hope, bravery, and inspiration. That is the story of Israel. Closing line. If this touched your heart, do like, share, and subscribe. Comment below, what inspires you most about Israel? Shalom.